We are back with Andrew Keating to discuss the latest trends and solutions in the world of procurement. In our previous episodes, we've covered challenges around efficiency and around transparency. Today, we're focused on our third topic, requirements collection. Andrew, collecting and really understanding requirements for a high-stakes purchase can be pretty difficult. With multiple stakeholders in the mix, it's often pretty hard to know exactly which requirements to focus on. And as the responses start to come in, it becomes even more difficult to understand which trade-offs are acceptable. How can organizations start to really tackle these challenges?
Yeah, the key is to adopt a structured approach to requirements gathering. And that can be facilitated really effectively by leveraging procurement software that will help you organize and prioritize those requirements. The software can guide the procurement team through the process of defining clear, measurable, and relevant requirements, ultimately making it easier to evaluate and compare vendor proposals when those start to come in. Procurement software often also includes templates and tools for creating RFIs and RFPs with predefined sections for various requirements. So you have that mix between structured data that's hard-coded in and then variable data that you can set based on your specific business requirements. This helps ensure a consistent format for collecting information from vendors. And additionally, the software allows organizations to easily prioritize requirements, enabling them to focus on what's most important for their specific needs.
Andrew, this sounds exceedingly helpful. How does the approach that you just outlined kind of add up to help organizations make that better purchasing decision?
Yeah, by collecting requirements in a structured and standardized way, organizations can more effectively evaluate vendor proposals. And this happens because software simplifies the decision-making process, allowing teams to quickly identify the best proposals based on their unique requirements. But fully overcoming the challenge actually requires a combination of adopting the right procurement software and also fostering a culture of effective communication and collaboration within the organization. Sometimes that too can involve bringing in external consulting partners to help you along and to guide you towards that. By working together and leveraging technology, procurement teams can collect, understand, and prioritize their requirements with ease. And that ultimately leads to better decision-making and more successful purchasing outcomes.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much for covering this topic with us. If someone watching would like to reach out and ask more questions, how can they contact you?
Yeah, absolutely. If we can help with developing your processes to collect and understand those requirements or any other procurement challenges, you can find us at popcornrfp.com.